You guys, you don't have any idea right now how I'm feeling, okay? See, you don't have any idea, okay? You see, this is the way. I will just keep on going and just let's see and let's explore it. It's already deep down, okay? I cannot just look down like that. I will fall down, okay? Just on top of the mountain. Okay, let's do like this. This will be more appropriate. Let me see how far I can go. Take pics for me! This is my, dream. Okay, the first time I came, I already dreamed to, I already wished to walk here. Okay, but last time I could not walk here because I could not, I don't know that whether I don't know that I can come to this place now. I don't know that I don't know that we can walk on top of this place, but finally today I did it, right? Oh guys, now what? Now what is next? Now what is next? Okay, now so guys, this is between two stone. Okay, so it's a little bit risk taking, but I will do it. Me myself, me myself. Oh my god, I did it! Oh my god, I did it! Oh my god, this is a high stone. That is why now I'm fearing. Oh my god, I did it! I did it! Woo! 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 Lord Jesus, please help me. Lord Jesus, please help me to overcome my fear. I need to overcome my fear. Okay, guys, this is why I am doing all these things. This is disturbing me a lot. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Oh, guys. Oh my god. This is wow. This feeling, okay, okay, I need to look first whether any snakes are coming now. Because these are stones. Yeah, done. Finally, I did it. Guys, I did it. There. The next stone. The stones, this nobody can climb that one because there is no way to climb now from both the side. Okay, from this side also, from that side also, there's no way. Okay, so this is the top of the world. I just feel like that. Ooh. Still I am shaking a little bit because this is my first time exploring this kind of huge stones, no? Okay, let's go back. This is a little I should not look down. I should not look down. Okay, really guys, I cannot look down. You can see, right? All the way. See the stone, it's very